Hey you guys, welcome back to Cheat Day. Today is a day that I truly never knew whether or not it would happen. I can barely speak because I'm so excited. Not only is the national treasure Jill here, but we're also gonna be trying Friends food. Jill, you're obviously speechless because you're
truly
so excited.
no words.
Today we are going to be eating foods inspired by or from the hit show, Friends. In case
So
the
no
shirts.
one told you life was gonna be this way.
Let's eat! Jill, it's so fun to just be here at Central Perk with you. Just two gals hanging out in
On
the
the couch.
city.
Two city gals.
Oh, Gunther. I loved Gunther. This is a Gunther bleach blonde latte. What does that even mean?
All I know is being with you on Cheat Day, coffee being involved, seems like it's a very strong start. And I'm nervous to caffeinate you any more than you already
same.
are.
Is this ice cream or whipped cream or
This is heavenly.
real sugar, real
Oh, yeah.
fat, all the
Oh,
good
yeah.
things? So Jill, I
All
gotta
of
be
it.
real with the audience. Performing, entertaining is in your blood. You were, after all, a child model.
There was a day or two where
Or
it
three.
happened.
How many like children's toy boxes were you on as a child?
You know, less toy boxes, more ovens, washers and dryers.
Okay, so I gotta say, this is fantastic. What do you think?
Delicious. Like, you absolutely could not have this every day. This is a highly caloric coffee drink, but so good. And Gunther.
Gunther, where is Gunther?
Do you know he started out as an extra on the show? He was just an extra, like there at the coffee shop. The only extra to know how to use the espresso machine.
You know, you never know when your hidden secret skills are gonna come in handy and make you a star. Kind of like your love of Friends making you a star on Clevver right now.
Today, yes.
It's crazy. How many times have you watched Friends? Like, tell me the truth. How many hours of your life have you spent watching this show?
There would be no true way to quantify the number of hours. It would be too hard a math equation, even for me.
That was a lot of words that are very large.
Here's the thing about Friends. It was on back in the day where you had to be at your
Your-
TV
exactly.
at 7 p.m. tuning into NBC to catch the episode. And if you weren't there at that time, you missed it. So the commitment
Was high.
was a whole different thing. Streamers these days.
They have
streamers
they'll
these
call
days.
it Starless Law. Oh my gosh, is this a meatball hot
I'm
dog? What
already
is
not
this?
This is the Joey special.
Oh my gosh, this is the Joey special.
We know he loves sandwiches.
And this looks like pizza.
He's Italian.
It's true.
How you
Tribbiani.
doing?
How you doing?
Which character are
Joey
you?
impression?
Are you like...
Oh my gosh. I wish I was a Rachel and I'm definitely a Monica.
Okay, so Jill,
Cheers.
cheers.
From the middle, obviously.
Duh, Jill.
Okay.
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 All right. This is great. This is meatballs,
Meatballs.
pepperoni,
Salami,
cheese, bread,
both.
all the food groups.
Joey would be a very big
Huge.
fan of this sandwich.
Huge fan of this. Definitely
Huge
not
fan.
vegan, but
No.
pretty good. This is awesome.
A creation in Joey Tribbiani's
Honor. This is definitely falls into the inspired by category.
Yes.
I already have like the sweats. Is meat sweats a thing?
Here come the meat sweats.
Where you eat meat and then you start sweating?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, the one time Joey had to like wear the pregnancy pants because there was just so much food happening. I can't tell if I know because I kind of know because I'm kind of involved here at Clevver with what we do, or if it's just like
I love that she says
in her
kind of
blood.
involved.
Kind of
You're
involved.
the most involved. What is this?
Okay, do you know about like a chocolate chip cookie and its moment on the show?
No, I don't remember.
If I told you a famous chef named NESTLE TOULOUSE.
My grandmother said she got the recipe from her grandmother, NESTLE TOULOUSE.
Would that allow it to ring any bells?
I think it would be nice to feed you because you're always feeding us information.
Sure.
Feeding us the best goodness.
Yes. Oh.
This is great.
Yum. I mean,
Wow.
classic
Nestle
chocolate
TOULOUSE.
chip. The moment is Phoebe made her grandmother's favorite cookies. The recipe was lost. She worked to recreate it. It's the recipe on the back of the bag.
The Moistmaker, great name, that Ross loves, that Monica makes for him. It gets stolen, and then it pushes him into such a tizzy, he has to go on sabbatical.
Yes.
You threw my sandwich away. My sandwich! My sandwich!
It's obviously a Thanksgiving leftovers creation.
Obviously, so I see some cranberry, I see some
Stuffing.
turkey, some stuffing,
Favorite.
some gravy, 3 pieces of bread. I don't really know where to start.
Okay.
I can see why Ross would be pushed to the limits on
You
this.
did not go big.
You know, I was like, my mouth is full of turkey.
This unacceptable.
Amateur hour.
Lily, come over here.
Perfect.
Let me feed you a
Girls.
bite of this cheesecake.
Okay.
What is the story with the cheesecake?
Do you know?
Oh, no, perfect. Okay, now tell us. Great. Did I just stab the inside of your mouth? So sorry. Okay.
No, I actually
for
don't
this.
remember what the cheesecake is from.
Oh, so there's this like epically good cheesecake Chandler and Rachel are both obsessed with, and then it goes flying in the hallway and hits the floor. So like catastrophe ensues. The visual you will never forget
We didn't
though
steal this.
is the cheesecake laying on the floor.
And then they sit on the ground and they eat it. I
Then
do
they just
remember
get
that
their
part.
forks out and
Oh, yay, look, there's a piece that doesn't have flour on it.
Behind the scenes food fact about Friends. I knew someone that knew someone who did crafty on the show. And apparently Jennifer Aniston ate the same Cobb salad without dressing every single day for 10 years.
That's so sad.
No, but she loved it. Good for her.
Did she?
when I see this, it
Yes.
reminds me, obviously, it's a Thanksgiving reference. I mean, the sandwich was too. And Thanksgiving is just so iconic on the
With
show.
Friends, yes.
Every single year, their like Thanksgiving episode
Something
is bigger
happens.
than like any. It's like the biggest holiday on the show. Every year, if you need an episode to watch right now,
What's the Brad
Thanksgiving.
Pitt one?
Oh, Brad Pitt.
We had a club.
You had a club?
The I Hate Rachel Green Club.
Who else was in this club?
Me and Ross.
Then there's one where Rachel's sister is Reese Witherspoon and
That
her name
was
is
great.
Jill. So I really like that one.
And that's Joey.
Hey, how you doing?
Don't!
Okay, so
I'm trying to get some stuffing too, but it's like a knife situation, so just use my fingers.
this tastes great. You really outdone
Thanksgiving,
yourself.
it's bringing me back all the vibes.
And Monica, I believe, was the
Yeah.
fictional character, an amazing chef.
Definitely an amazing chef. Thank God we brought in the big guns of Holly to recreate Monica-esque cooking. Talking's
See,
really
I
hard.
know, talking is
it's
so hard.
Like in life, it's easy, but right here, it's really hard. If you clicked on this video, it means you were waiting for this.
For this moment.
Like
Rachel makes this, right? And
again, Thanksgiving episode, iconic.
First, there's a layer of ladyfingers,
Thin layer of jam.
raspberries, more ladyfingers,
A layer of beef sauteed with peas and onion.
and then bananas, and then I just put some whipped cream on top.
And like the sad thing about it, / the best thing about it, is that she's so earnest. Like she just like, this is gonna be great.
It just was an accident. The 2 pages of the cookbook got stuck together.
It happens to the best of us. Never.
Yes.
It's like a shepherd's
It's like-
pie trifle.
Yeah, that was weird to me too.
She
Like,
goes
that's
for
what
it.
the recipe is. It doesn't phase her at all.
You know, I thought, well, there's minced meat pie. I mean, that's an English dessert. These people just put very strange things in their food.
As they say in the show, and as Bridget has just reminded us, you gotta get all the layers.
You gotta go big on this one. Okay, so just do some digging, Jill.
straight all the way down.
Oh my gosh, this is really just, okay. I can't decide. At first I was like, oh, it tastes okay. And then I was like, it tastes like I've eaten out of the trash.
Tastes like feet.
You know, it's one of the two. What do you think, Jill?
Hearing the word trash, it just brought it to a whole other
Like
dirty,
compost.
wet level. Yeah, it was just like, yep, it's exactly trash.
Compost.
Like, there's good stuff in there too.
And it's
but-
like, oh, that meat tastes good. Not with berries, though. Friends cast.
I'm still chewing on some meat.
Courtney Cox, Jen Aniston, the whole gang. Since you guys are probably watching this, we just want to throw it out there.
Definitely.
If you ever want to come on our little show, we'd love to have you.
We will make you not this, anything you want.
Anything. A
or
game
this.
hen,
Sure.
a Cobb salad sans dressing. So Jill, this is actually your second episode of Cheat Day. You've become a regular at this point.
I'm a regular. I'm a recurring character
You're a
on this show.
reoccurring character.
Call me
on this
Gunther.
show. She is our Gunther. Not only are you our national treasure, but when the opportunity arose, when we needed our barista, when we needed someone who knew how to handle that espresso machine, you rose to the top, just like the cream inside of whatever this is.
Exactly.
Do you feel like there's anything we missed?
Okay, yes. No, I don't. Do you think there's anything we missed?
Good job, you host.
Yeah.
Good job.
Or like, what other shows are people obsessed with that we should try this with? Like, this just spoke to me personally. I was like, we have to do this because like I wanted it, but like, what do you want? What do you want?
Gilmore
Like,
Girls. Gilmore Girls. I would love to see a Gilmore Girls episode. Loved the Riverdale episode.
Again, more coffee.
Oh my
I'm so
gosh.
sad.
Coffee. You guys hit the comments. Let us know what you thought. Let us know what we're missing. Let us know what we need in the future. And don't forget to subscribe so that Jill can become a bigger star.
Gunther.
Follow at Jill, guys. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
You guys, thanks so much for watching this Clevver style video. But guess what? We have so many, and you can click right over here to see a brand new video that I know you're gonna love. Subscribe!